you?
Fine. How y'all doing?
Good.
There you are.
Thank you
You
so
gotta go
much.
straight ahead.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So we're gonna go drive through the tree. Yeah, the drive-through tree. It costed $5 to get in with a motorcycle. I don't. The road is gravel, but it's pretty packed. Definitely don't want to. You know. Anyway, super pretty. I do see the tree up there. Somebody's parked in it right now. The dude was super cool at the gate. Different prices for different rigs, of course. But we're going to ease on up here and, yeah. Okay, cool. There it is. Holy shit. No doubt about it. It is a tree you can drive through. Right? You got your signal on?
Yes.
You hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so we're going to drive through this tree.
Yes, this is the Chanelier Tree. It's drive-through, and I guess, I don't know if this is state property or not. Kind of seemed like maybe this is private property in the way, like, coming in, they charge you $5 to come in, take your picture, basically drive through the tree, but...
Okay. So anyway...
Out there wanting to come get a picture, I guess, under the tree.
Who is?
Those people walking towards us.
Okay, well, I got a car here. So I guess we'll have to get our picture taken too, won't we?
I would think so.
Paid the money for it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Here you go on.
These people need to move out of the way.
Yeah. Yeah, fucking people are stupid, you know. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Like usual, you guys, you got to deal with everybody when you're going to go see something cool. Wow, man, this is badass, though.
Really, really neat, yes.
Okay.
So this is still a living tree.
Still living.
Yes.
I'm going to flop the GoPro up. It's got a massive heart hole. Heart of the tree. Okay. Pretty cool. Do you want me to pull up here and get a picture real quick? Or?
Sure.
All right, I'll pull right to where we're just absolutely just sticking out. Right about here. What do you think?
Yeah. Now, the bike behind us is going to just have to wait, right?
Yeah, you have to wait. But I'll stay here and stay. They're just getting a picture with him. Like that. Just cool. Real quick. Steph is going to get a selfie stick up real quick. If anybody says anything, I'm probably meaner.
Okay.
So,
you go sit up there.
Yep. Take the long way around, of course.
And I've got my watch, so I can.
All right. So I think that about right there will do it. zooms out. Center it up. And
Perfect.
what do you think?
Good. Looking good.
All right.
Yep. Yep.
Good. So now we'll get a picture.
Do I just stand here with it?
Yeah. All right, there we go. Was that worth $5?
Yeah.
Okay. Spin this around. Up and out. Here we go. We'll roll up out of here.
Perfect.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright. Fuck them. I'm gonna get my video. Super badass. Is that all we want?
I think so. What do you think?
Okay. Get out of the
You
way.
want to go in the gift shop for anything?
No.
Okay.
Do you want anything in there?
Nah.
No? Okay. Get a little bit up for my story. Alright. Do not block. Or do not enter. One way.
Yep. So then we
Exit.
go to our left.
Alright. We did it.
We drove through a tree.
We drove through a tree. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I feel wholesome now. I feel completed. I feel a little hurried. But overall, so we just go right back out this way, huh?
I guess so.
Okay. Off we go. Alright. Was cool. I'm glad we did it. It was a blink of an eye. It was there, it was done, and then we're gone.
I love all the carvings that they've got made with the stumps and like that tree lay. Oh, there's Bigfoot laying down on it, carved into the tree.
Oh yeah. Sexy foot.
Yeah, all the carvings and the stumps and stuff. It's super cool.
If you see anything you need to stop or do anything, just let me know, hon. It's one thing about riding a bike. I'd miss some because I'm concentrating on, well, you know, driving a motorcycle. Yeah, pin it on your map. $5 on a motorcycle. I mean, you know, it's worth it, I suppose. But at the end of the day, 20 years from now, we'll say, yeah, hey, you know what? Check this picture out. We drove through that tree. And they'll be like, where's that at? We'll be way out there on the West Coast. And they're like, oh my God. You rode your motorcycle out to the West Coast? We'll be like, yeah, see? And they'll be like, yeah. Okay, that was super easy to get in and out, though. Like I said, it's a dirt road, but it's compacted good. I don't know which way we're going from here.
I'm not for sure either, but we need to be going to Liggett, Liggett, and then take Highway 1.
Okay.
So we're going to Fort Bragg now.
Okay, let's not brag about it. I'm glad we did that, honey.
Me too.
That'd be fun for kids, you know.
Yeah.
Got a car coming, so I'm just gonna go left.
Okay.
I just got that feeling. All right, here we go. Well, it's popped up now, hon. Is that the direction you want to go?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So I picked.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. Right on. So really, what we did is we just drove up here, and now we're driving back. It's just right off the road. Okay.
Okay.
Very cool. Something else we've done on the motorcycle. What you guys are seeing right here is Highway 1. So we jumped off of 101. luckily we met this gentleman and his wife while we were eating over there. He's like, listen, man, you've got to jump off here on Highway 1 and it'll spit you out over there on the coast, somewhere there on Fort Bragg, somewhere around in there. So that's exactly what we've done, and I'm so grateful we did, because this Highway 1 is bad to the bone. It's gorgeous. The tarmac is great, and you really hug into the bluff line, and then you're kind of kicked out and around. Very tight road, just huge, big, beautiful trees. Get down in the valley, you just keep dropping and keep dropping, and it feels like it's, once you get to a point, it feels like you're just constantly going down. Ear changing, you know, it's just like the pressure is changing a lot. The temperature went from like 75 degrees, it just dropped down to 56. So Steph and I had to pull over, take a pee, and grab some clothing. And while we're here, Steph was like, you know, I want to throw the drone up. So that's exactly what we're doing. Do a little droning.